Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you my best my stock portfolio. These are the best stocks to buy for dividends. And today I have $370 invested so far. I plan to invest more in the future. If you like these kind of videos, like, comment, subscribe, and comment down below if you like these kind of stock videos. Personally, I haven't done a stock video in a long time. I just I don't know. I don't know if they're popular, but I'm going to be posting some more stock videos on this channel. Um, Personally, I've been investing for about 2 years on Robinhood, and it's been going up. But well, actually, past year it's gone down, but it's great for dividends. So if you want some dividend money, then that's only because the stock market's been pretty bad the past couple months. Today and a couple days have been pretty good, but overall it's been pretty bad this year. Hopefully it'll make a turnaround, but without further ado, I'm going to be going over my dividend stocks. First off, we have Ford with 2 shares. I don't have many shares of all my stocks just because I don't have that much money to invest right now. I'm going to be leaving a link down in my description for how you can sign up and get a free stock. Anyways, we have Ford with 2 shares. This has been going up the past week. It's gone up from about $7 to $8.77, or like about $7.50. So that's pretty good. It's gone up about 10% or less than that. Then you got Bank of America, which is hovering around $27, but it's good for dividends, so I like to keep it. There's not much to say about this company. They're probably one of the most trusted banks, but personally, I don't think that banks are going to be the same. I think they're going to have to change in order to accompany for cryptocurrency, and that's another point I'm going to make later in this video. If you want to make some money, BFEN, that's an airline company, and they do. I got these for around $12, so I have made a profit on these. I made about $3.30 profit, but it's planning to go back up, and it's planning to recover. So it used to be about 30. I think it was $30 or $60. It might have been as high as $60, and it just plummeted during this year. So if you're looking to get some growth, then definitely go with DFEN. Get some shares of that. Get the shares while they're this low, because I don't think they're going to go any lower than this, and they're definitely going to go higher. So definitely get DFEN. Arrow has been going crazy. I got these for about $3, and they have been going up to 548, 550 right now. It's up 29% today, which is pretty crazy. I have not seen a stock go up this high in a long time in a day. But that's a Chinese electric vehicle company trying to compete with. I wouldn't say they're trying to compete because they're not even in the ballpark, but of Tesla and NIO and stuff like that. More along the lines of NIO, but they're definitely a good company to buy. I think they'll go up to around $15 plus in the future. So if you can get a couple shares, then I would. Actually, might buy more if I can because it's going up. So. Okay, next we've got XLE. This is I think it's an energy company. I bought these for around $31, and it's already up to $35. So this is a pretty good deal. They have great dividends, so that's why I got XLE. There's not much more to say about that. They'll probably grow in the coming years with energy demand. Then you got American Airlines. This is hovered around $12, but it should go up in the future because they're one of the premier airlines. And I think if they make a recovery, then they could go up really, really high, maybe like $25-30, but we'll see about that. NRZ is I think it's an electric vehicle company or something along those lines. I got it for around, let's see, I think I got around $8 and it's gone up to $8.39, so not a bad deal there. Then I've got Realty Income with O. This is a great dividend company. It pays monthly, and I got it because it's great. It's a great dividend stock, and it's poised to do a lot better in the future. It'll continuously grow, so that's a good thing. And then I got a stock called Gladstone Commercial, which is labeled good. I guess I mostly got this because of the acronym, but hold on. I mostly got it because it's called good, and it just sounded good to me. I guess it sounded good, so that's why I got it. And I mostly got these just to. I know I don't have many shares, and any gains might be minimal, but if you sign up in the description down below, we'll both get a free stock. And I got these just to stake my positions, and if I want to buy more shares, it'll be easy. I just click on it, and I'll be able to buy more shares pretty quickly. Now, one thing I'm going to go over is how Bitcoin has been surging lately, and if you want to definitely get in on some massive growth, massive gains, then definitely get some Bitcoin. If you get like half a Bitcoin and it goes to 100K, you've made 40 grand just off that, and that could really set you up for a good future because you can reinvest that money. And Bitcoin, I got some just to stake my position and to. I know I don't have much at all right now, but I plan on getting quantifiable amount in the future. It's really it's the best cryptocurrency to get because it's quite bullish right now, and it's in a halving period where the time it takes to mine a Bitcoin is twice as long. Therefore, the price increases. So if you had any Bitcoin before this, you'll really benefit from it because that will grow, and it was much easier to get Bitcoin, but now it's worth more. So that's the upside. I unfortunately didn't have any Bitcoin before this. I mean, I had like $100 a couple years ago, but I don't know. Anyways, that's my stock portfolio. Hope you liked it. Like, subscribe, hit the bell notification icon, and comment down below if you want more videos like this. I know this wasn't like the hugest portfolio, but these are some stocks that'll get you going with dividends. If you like dividend investing, definitely pick up some of these stocks because they'll probably about 90% chance grow in the future, and you can stake more positions in these, and that'll be really great, especially Realty Income and DFEN and ARO. But anyways, thanks for watching my video. Hope you like it, and have a good day, guys.